Hello guys, welcome to this video. I'll be looking at task 17C. Okay, so the question says open the file saved in task 17B, set the first level bullets to be indented by 3 millimeters and the second level bullets to be indented by 6 mm from the margin. Okay, save the document as task 17C. So we're going to be working in a cm, so 3 millimeters should be around 0.3, and then of course 6 is 0.6 cm, right? So let's open the file 17b, task 17b. So I want to get down to the bullet. So the first level bullet is the numbered bullet, so I want to just select them. So I want to hold down my control key and select the rest. Okay, so what I want to do, I want to right click and then adjust list indents. So obviously when you see here, it is already in level 1, right? So what I want to do, so by default already, it is in the number alignment is already left. So I want to change it to 0.3, which is equivalent to 3 mm, right? So depending on the, what's it called, the metric you're working with, right? Now, you want to set this, the text indentation here, you want to set it to 0.8 to make it look, good, right? So when you're done with that, you want to okay it, right? So you can actually play around with the, the number indentation and then the text indentation. So, but this is what it is here. So what I'm going to do, the bullet, so I want to select the bullet. Okay, the next, okay, let me just first of all, let me save, let me update this level. So the first level is that's the style. The first level is the list 1. So I want to right click, I want to update that to match what we have, the property that we have here. Okay, so the next one I'm going to do is to, let me see, is to look at the second one. The second one is to 6 millimeter, right? So we want to select that bullet, the bullets here. So make sure everything is selected, and then you want to right click and then adjust indentation. So of course by default is already the second level, which is the second level. Yeah, okay. So we want to make sure that this one, the alignment is on the, is around the 0.6. So the alignment will be 0.6 from the question, 0.6, which is equivalent to 6 millimeter. So you want to make this to be around 1.1. Let me just make it 1.1, which is which will make it to look a little bit presentable. So 1.1 indentation, that's the text indentation has to be 1.1. Okay, so I want to okay that. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. So the next thing I want to do is to not right click actually. I want to actually update the second level style. So I want to update it to match this property. Okay, so I think that's about it. So the next thing I want to do before I finish up is to save this as task 17C. So I want to just change that to task 17C, and then we're good. All right, so that's about it. Thank you so much. Okay, one more thing. Okay, so the footer here, I just saw it right now. So the footer here, the far part for the footer is still indicating 17A. So let me just right click on it and then update it to be 17C, right? Okay, so we're good. I'll close that. So I think it applies to all, yeah. Okay, so thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye.